Hi, Vijaya. Hi, Sage.
Okay.
Howdy.
Well, I think we should start. Scrums are supposed to start on time, on the dot, so we might as well be consistent with that. Let's see. Sage, do you want to go first?
Sure. I recently reviewed some pull requests from Wikimedia Foundation developer and from some from a Google Coding student participant, and I am thinking through and doing some preliminary work now on how to pull in rendered articles on the dashboard so that you see sort of the same kind of view that you could see on Wikipedia itself of what an article looks like as sort of preparatory work for some of the features that we discussed last week around highlighting which user contributed which bits.
Yeah. Sounds good. Great. Vijaya, want to give us an update?
Yeah, Patrick, I resolved my merge conflict in my current bench. Then I updated my PR, but my RSpec tests are failed, and I think some syntax error after rebase into my code. Then I resolved that one. Now I'm looking to the RSpec test. Some of them failed for the recently tested the job seeker template, mailer template.
I see. Okay.
Yeah, that is the update.
Okay, good. Sounds good. Let's see for myself. So since Friday, I worked on a story for MetPlus, including through the weekend to some degree. I found a bunch of, well, 2 or 3 bugs in as a course, as a process of working on my story. I have to open some bugs on that. I did a PR review, Sigu's PR review as of this morning, completed on that. I had pair programming session this morning with Paul on MetPlus. Paul is in Australia, and with Arun, who's in India, shortly after that. Both of them on MetPlus stories. We had a UI design review of Laura's wireframe. She's been working on redesigning some of the initial views in our application. So that went well. We made some comments. She's going to update her design, and we're going to present to the client at our next client meeting, which is a week from today, 12:30 Eastern Standard Time. And I think that's it for me. I haven't had a chance to do anything on wiki.edu. I'm trying to find time to at least take a story, if not complete it, during this sprint and start to make some progress. So other than last Thursday, the overview that we did, I haven't had time to do much on wiki.edu. So that's my confession. I guess that's it for Scrum then. We're in pretty good shape. So Sage, I know last time, Thursday, we talked about maybe setting up an architectural review to occur maybe sometime this week. The problem that we have now, of course, we can't set it up unless we have more of a quorum on this meeting, so we can find out when people are available. So I guess we can kind of defer that until tomorrow, maybe, if we get more people showing up.
Sounds good.
Is Sage all still planning to attend these meetings as well?
Yeah, Sage will, should be coming to most of them.
Okay. Good. And is she working on a story in that storyboard that you put together? Or is she working on something outside of that storyboard?
I think actually either today or tomorrow, she's going to start on one of those on that board. We wrapped up the thing that she was working on last week, and so and she's eager to try out the React stuff. So we're going to take the one about reworking sort of how the like the modal one.
Yeah. Okay. That sounds good. That's great. So we'll all be working off the same storyboard too then. That's a big help. Good. Great. Okay. Well, I guess that's it. I don't have anything else. Anybody have anything? All right, I guess not then. All right, well, thanks for joining, and
Okay.
we will talk again tomorrow.
See you later.
Yep. Have a good day. Bye now.
Bye.
Bye.